More Tennesseans soon will be eligible to get vaccinated against COVID-19 after the Tennessee Department of Health today announced counties can individually start to move vaccinations forward as supplies allow. That means they could be opening to more people in all counties at any time. Well, this morning, the Sullivan County Regional Health Department just decided not to keep anybody guessing. They announced they will lower the eligibility age in Sullivan County to 55 starting Monday. And just a week after expanding to Phase 1C, Sullivan County will open vaccines to those in Phases 2A and 2B. Kelly Grossfield has more on who the latest expansion will include.
Now, even though they were one of the last in the region to move into Phase 1C, Sullivan County has announced they will be moving into Phase 2A, 2B starting Monday. Now, this will include those who are 55 and older, as well as those employed in critical infrastructure industries.
When we were looking at the appointments going into next week, we actually had a few slots open. So that's one driving force.
Sullivan County Regional Medical Director Dr. Stephen May said he expected Phase 1C to be one of the biggest vaccination groups yet. But with the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine cutting their work in half and a decrease in appointment demand, he said now is the best time to move into the next phase. And they aren't alone.
We are told that there will be an announcement on Monday that we'll be moving to Phase 2A and 2B. And also 55 and older. And actually, people can already sign up on our registration system for those age groups.
Ballot Health has also opened registration for Phase 2 and is set to begin those vaccinations next week. This group contains a number of working-class Tennesseans, like those who work in commercial food production, public transit, public infrastructure, and utilities. So making an appointment during a workday can be tough, but Ballot hopes to provide a solution to that.
Now that we're moving into this working population, this Phase 2, we may need to expand into alternate hours.
Swift says along with expanding hours outside 9 to 4, they're also planning for mass vaccination events on select Saturdays. She says the opening of every new phase gives her hope.
We know that this is a step toward ending this pandemic. So every phase is a celebration. We're as excited to give to the people who are now eligible as they are to now be eligible.
But even once you're vaccinated, Dr. May is urging people still stay safe to protect themselves from variants of the virus.
But the light is at the end of the tunnel finally. And that's the great thing about it. So take care of each other still. Show respect for your fellow man. Continue to wear your mask.
In Sullivan County, Kelly Grossfield, News Channel 11.